Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to auto scroll YouTube Shorts. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to go to your YouTube, but you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your YouTube application. To do that, you just have to go to Google Play Store and then tap Update. In that way, you can avoid lags and problems. So at the top right corner, just tap your profile. And then after that, once you are on your profile, you just have to scroll down and click settings. Once you tap settings, you have to scroll down again and look for autoplay. So I think the third one here, it's below data saving. So you just have to tap that one. And here, all you have to do is to turn this one on. Okay, so autoplay next video, tap this one, or you just have to turn this one on. In that way, when a video is finished, another plays automatically, including your YouTube Shorts. So that's how easy it is to auto scroll YouTube Shorts. Now you can go back and start watching YouTube Shorts again. Okay, so I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.